Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can enable and activate the account synchronization in the Opera web browser in 2026. For instance, if you'd like to sync your browsing data from Opera you use on your mobile device, for instance, with Opera web browser you use on a desktop computer or laptop. So let us dive into this. So guys, in the first step, you will need to access the Opera web browser. I'm going to use it on my desktop computer. In the next step, you will need to activate the synchronization feature in general. To do that, here in Opera, click into this button in the top right. And from that sidebar to the right, scroll to the very bottom, select Go to Full Browser Settings. Inside your browser settings, what you want to do is navigate to synchronization here on the left-hand side. And there are two ways how you can do this, guys. You can, for instance, import your browsing data, including bookmarks and settings from another browser like Edge or Chrome. If you'd like to do this, click into this button, select the given browser from that menu here with the given profile on your device, like for example Edge or Firefox with the given profile. Or if you'd like to synchronize your browsing data from the Opera browser on the mobile device, you will need to log into your Opera user account. Click into sign in here. After that, use that field here to log into your Opera account. You're already logged in, for example, on your mobile. You may use Google for that, Facebook, Apple, or an email address. And after that, click into continue and confirm the synchronization so that all your browsing data you've been using on your mobile device through your Opera account will be, including bookmarks for instance, will be transferred also to your to the web browsing version here. Just make sure, guys, that you stay logged in. You will see your user profile here in the top right corner, Opera account. So for obvious reasons, you will need to be logged in with the same account here and on your synchronized mobile device, or across all devices you're using Opera browser. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.